Hey guys, welcome to the WWE review channel. My name is Joshua King, and one of the parcels come today. So this will be my wrestling DVD unboxing. So let's undo it and see what I got. I'm sure they're okay.
Well, how about that? I don't think you guys need a plan. No, I'm not going to argue with you. Not at all. Unless you're on the verge of number 6.
Perfect. So the first one is Vengeance 2011.
Just taking his time. Look at me. And he said, I'm okay. Gave the thumbs up to the official. Looked like a double thumbs up. I'm not sure exactly what it was. No, this was Dean Ambrose when he was in Puerto Rico. He got Ice Cube, the battery thrown out. A beautiful thing.
And we also got table titles and chairs, spine, and the back, and then inside. So yeah, that was the 2 DVDs I got today, and I should have another 2 parcels coming in the next couple of days. So I'll put this whole video together. Cheers. Thanks that one, guys. Hey guys, welcome to the WWE review channel. It has finally come. After a week of having to wait, it has finally come. The 2 have finally come. So let's continue on with this one. So, puzzle. Wonder what it is. Hell in a Cell 2013. Oh man, I have been looking forward to this for a while. oh man. So I've got Hell in a Cell, and now the big one I was telling about. The big one. Alright. I just wish Greg was here for this one. Oh man, so good. WWE Tickets Live Australia. Oh man. So this is where we'll be sitting. See. So the people that didn't see, we will be entering through door 7. We'll be entering in on the floor, so we'll be on the floor. So you've got like the floor, you've got the second arena bit, and then you've got the higher tops. We'll be in row K, and we'll be in seat 60 and 59. Oh man, I'm so looking forward to this. Hopefully someone big comes down this year. I'm really hoping, because I missed the last 2 years. And the last 2 years had big superstars come down. There was Shawn Michaels and the Nature Boy Ric Flair. So I'm hoping this year we might get Shane McMahon or someone. I don't care, as long as someone big and cool. I'm not fussed. But yeah guys, that's what I was waiting for the whole time, so I'm very happy that they finally arrived, because it has taken like 3 weeks, and I was starting to get a little bit worried that they were not going to show up, but all fear, they've arrived. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my video, and just have a nice night. Catch you later. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks.